Police at the center of a massive investigation into the disappearance of social media influencer Donna Donaldson is slated to be questioned later today. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives are set to grill Constable Noel Maitland, the boyfriend of missing social media personality Donna Donaldson, in a question and answer session later today. Attorney Christopher Townsend, who filed a writ of habeas corpus to secure Maitland's release on Friday, said detectives called to schedule the interview shortly after the application was filed in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. Soon after I filed it and it was heard, the police called to say that they want a question and answer session today at 1, Townsend said in a statement. Detectives from the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch arrested Maitland on Wednesday in relation to the disappearance of Donna Donaldson. His arrest followed the case review by the Director of Public Prosecution, the Independent Commission of Investigation, and other agencies. On July the 13th, Donaldson's mother, Sophia Lugg, reported to the police that she has not seen or heard from her daughter. Noel Maitland is also known as a music producer, Noel One Time, and is also the co-founder of One Time Music in 2018. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.